sky and exploded in front of us and shot in front of the car.
Did it look like that?
Nope.
No, it's not moving. That one.
Ours
This
went.
one is stationary. This
Yeah.
one's like
Look
holding
at like the
still.
flower coming out
I
of it.
know. That's what I just.
Seems pretty close, but I bet you if we get on.
It's starting to go away.
Yeah. I don't think it's man-made. I don't think anything man-made we would have up there going on for this long. Yeah, I think I'm getting eaten up by
That was-
bugs.
Yeah,
That was so weird. Oh my gosh.
It's changing though.
Now it's just like a little.
Now I wish I had like a really good camera.
Or like a telescope or something. You guys just happened to come out here too. Like I was gonna put the garbage cans out.
I was
and
gardening.
drag it home and put the garbages out, and I'm like, what is that?
I'm sure the neighbors think I'm a kook because I was yelling at them, "Babe, get out of here!"
That was like she was under attack.
I thought we were. It was the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Now look, it's so.
It's moving, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I want to say it was way up there by the other star. It's falling.
It's like,
It's
you
falling
can
right
see
now. Well, it has to be inside the atmosphere for it to fall. It's not outside, because
That looks
outside
like
wouldn't
a
fall.
V.
And it's it is traveling fast.
Yeah, the reason it's V is because it's falling. But again, it has to be inside. Otherwise, outside is no gravity. It wouldn't fall. So I want to see where it hits. Let's see. South. Boy, I wonder if it's going to hit South America.
Is it really?
I don't know how far that is, because I don't know how big it is. But
It was up there
yeah, it was up by that other star, so it is starting to fall now.
and falling. Actually, it's falling quickly.
What
Let me
was
get
it?
our mosquito.
That's not an airplane.
So weird.
Yeah, that's not an airplane.
No, it was
That's not a space shuttle. So what could it be? Could it be a satellite?
Satellite. It's
There it is. It's
just
gone.
went.
It's
Look at
gone.
that. It's gone.
It burned up.
Oh my gosh.
I still see a little bit of it. It's by itself now. And nice. I bet you news is gonna have it in a second.